All right guys, Dave Hall here, Restore a Muscle Car out of Lincoln, Nebraska. 79, 10th anniversary. This is a factory 4-speed car that's got 49,000 original miles on it. We've had this car around our shop for quite a few years, got it from a good customer out of the East Coast. It was always stored inside. It's all original panel, all original paint, all original interior, but the whole drivetrain, whole undercarriage, suspension, wheels, tires, brakes, everything's been upgraded on this car. PWH motor's been all rebuilt. It's got some good performance components in it, Edelbrock aluminum intake. It's got the upgraded AC compressor. It's got fuel injection on it from Holley. We have new upper and lower tubular control arms, suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes that are they're by Bear brakes, and they're drilled and slotted rotors. We got the 17-inch snowflake wheels. The best part of it is this car has a 5-speed manual overdrive tranny in it now, which makes it that much better to drive it on the open highway, interstate, and get great fuel economy. This car is for sale on the website. Unbelievable condition, and this car is a lot of fun to drive. Anyway, go to our website, restoremusclecar.com, like, share, tag.